the shower. If you can't tell, if you hear Kobe whining, you should know the drill by now. We put him up so I can cook and so we can eat and not have to worry about them playing, fighting, whatever the deal is. Then he comes back out to go outside and then we go to bed. So our night, well, our day starts later than most people. We normally eat the earliest, like 9ish. It's 10:30 right now. Worked late and got off at 9. So he got home like 9:25 or something like that. Took a shower. He's in the shower now. And the food is ready. I need to heat up the mashed potatoes. They're already cooked. That'll take like a minute. Hello and welcome to Vlogmas day number 11. I don't have enough fingers for that. So it's Vlogmas day number 11. And not doing too much, but I do plan on getting the dog's toys up. I already cut the Christmas lights on, but I always forget to cut on my Santa Claus that's right there and my Santa Claus in the hall bath. But anyways, yeah, and sweeping around the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree was watered today. I didn't film that, but it was, and it already had plenty of water in it, but I just like to make sure. I plan on sweeping around the Christmas tree, getting up the dog's toys, and I don't know what else, to be honest. Like, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, so I edited the video earlier, uploaded it, and it takes longer than you would think, especially considering I don't do anything, like any cool edits. It's just not me personally. It's not, I enjoy like a simple vlog to watch, so I choose to do that on my channel. And I mean the edits, like the cool edits, I mean they're cool obviously, but it's just not my thing. But it takes me a long time, so I edit the videos from, they're normally at a minimum like 35 or 40 minutes to like an hour or a little more than an hour, and I edit them down to anywhere between, like, I try to do about 10 minutes to 20 minutes, somewhere in there. So it takes a good while, and then my internet's slow, so then uploading it takes a long time. And that while it was uploading today. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Shout yourself out if you're doing Vlogmas this year. I would love to check out your channel and who you're currently watching do Vlogmas this year. I would be curious to know. I love finding new YouTubers to watch and support. And don't forget to hit the bell next to the subscribe button and let me know that you did that in the comments. And I'll give you a shout out in a future video. So anyways, yeah, so he should be coming in here any minute. So I'm gonna heat up the mashed potatoes, get out the roll, and eat. So let's get it. Guys, so as you can tell, it's the next day. It's sunny out and it's the next morning-ish. So I ended up pretty much going ahead and doing nothing last night and going to bed. I'm going to record this morning, and then the stuff I record this evening will go up tomorrow. So it's still going to be Vlogmas day 11. I'm about to pour some iced coffee. Let's continue on with the vlog.